Hi guys, Ben here at Cult Motorcycles. Here we have our 2012 Ducati Diavel Carbon. The bike's done 11,500 miles, really nice clean bit of kit. It's got a great history, it's just had an annual service by Wayne at G-Tech Ducati, so it is good to go. It's a few really nice and quite expensive extras. It's got the CRG carbon levers, Terminioni exhaust, which is absolutely gorgeous. Tail tidy and crash bobbins. I'll give a quick walk around, point out any little bits that you need to know, and then I shall fire it up. So it's really clean. There's no real stone chips or damage at all to the front. Forks and brakes, all really nice and clean. Casings are all really clean. Frame's perfect on both sides. Exhaust is perfect. It's got a sergeant seat on it as well. No marks to the seat cowl. Tank, really clean. Wheels, the alloy, really nice and tidy. There's no corrosion creeping in. Swing arm is really clean. It's nice and tidy underneath as well, you can see. And the rest of this side, very much same as the other side. All the casing's really nice. No corrosion, no bubbling. Tank is perfect. There we go, 11,650 miles. So there you have it. Really nice clean bit of kit, great history to it. If you've got any questions or queries, feel free to give us a shout. Thanks for watching.